Okay, next let's talk about this model. Okay, this model shows you several structures. From anteriorly, what you can see, this is the hyoid bone. Okay, and this is the laryngeal cartilage, which I will explain in detail shortly. And this is the trachea. This is the thyroid gland. Okay, so first let's talk about the unpaired laryngeal cartilage. So the first one is the thyroid cartilage. Okay, this is the thyroid cartilage. This is the cricoid cartilage from anterior. Okay, next is this cartilage. This is epiglottis, okay, which is covered by the mucosa. So this is epiglottis. Okay, this is the thyroid cartilage from the posterior. Also, this is the cricoid cartilage from the posterior. Okay, from anterior it looks like this, and then it extends posteriorly. Okay, what about the paired cartilage? First one is this cartilage, right and left. This is the arytenoid cartilage. Okay, and on top of it, this is the corniculate cartilage, and part of this corniculate cartilage is covered by the mucosa. So this is the corniculate tubercle, part of the corniculate tubercle, and this is the cuneiform tubercle. Okay, and then from posterior, what you can see here, this is the airy epiglottic fold. Okay, as I mentioned just now, this is the cuneiform tubercle, and this is the corniculate tubercle, and this is the interarytenoid fold. Okay. Okay, move on to the extrinsic ligament. So basically, extrinsic ligament, it connects the laryngeal cartilage with other structures, such as the hyoid bone, trachea, and so on. Okay, the first extrinsic ligament or membrane is this membrane, which is known as thyrohyoid membrane. Okay, so this is the thyrohyoid membrane. Okay, so at the lateral side, you can see there are two structures that pierce this thyrohyoid membrane. So this one, the yellow structure here, this is the internal laryngeal nerve, and this is the superior laryngeal artery. Okay, but this one is the superior thyroid artery. Okay, as you can see, it goes to the thyroid gland superiorly. So here, this is the superior thyroid artery, but this one is the superior laryngeal artery, which is the branch of the superior thyroid artery that pierces the thyrohyoid membrane. Okay, next is this ligament. This is the cricotracheal ligament. This is cricotracheal ligament that connects the cricoid cartilage with the first trachea ring. Okay, and last, the third extrinsic ligament is this ligament, which can be seen from the median section of the laryngeal cartilage. This is hyoepiglottic ligament. Okay, this is the hyoid bone from anterior. So this is hyoid bone, this is the epiglottis. Okay, this is the epiglottis. So this ligament connects the anterior surface of the epiglottis with the body of the hyoid bone. So this is hyoepiglottic ligament. For the intrinsic ligament, basically the intrinsic ligament, it connects the laryngeal cartilage with each other. So from anterior aspect, this is the first intrinsic ligament that you can see. This is cricothyroid ligament. Okay, this is cricothyroid ligament. Okay, that connects the cricoid cartilage with the thyroid cartilage. Cricothyroid ligament. And from the median aspect, medially, you can see this one ligament here. This is thyroepiglottic ligament. Okay, thyroepiglottic ligament that connects the thyroid cartilage with the epiglottis. Okay, what about the muscles that can be seen from this model? Okay, so first, from the anterior aspect, a bit lateral, this is the thyrohyoid muscle. Okay, thyrohyoid muscle that belongs to the infrahyoid muscle group. So this is thyrohyoid muscle. Okay, this is cricothyroid muscle. Okay, cricothyroid muscle. While from posterior, this muscle here, this is posterior cricoarytenoid muscle. This is transverse arytenoid muscle, and this is the oblique arytenoid muscle. While this nerve here, this is the right recurrent laryngeal nerve, which continues as the inferior laryngeal nerve. Okay, so from the posterior aspect of this model, so this is the laryngeal inlet, okay, and then this is the piriform fossa. Okay, this is the piriform fossa, and then from the median aspect of this laryngeal cartilage, what you can see is this. This is the vestibular fold, and then this is the vocal fold. So the compartment of the larynx can be divided into the supraglottic area or the vestibule, the ventricle, and then the infraglottic region.